I'm back, baby. It's been a long time, but now I'm back to you. You know what this is. BFAM Cooking. That's right, I'm Jerome from Long Island, and what are we doing today? I'm going to talk to you about my trip that just got back from, where? Italy. That's right, Tuscany. My wife and I went to Tuscany. We spent some time there, learning some new cooking techniques with friends and some people who became friends. A good, nice stay, nice warm stay. It was 90 to 85 degrees every day. Beautiful location in a 15th century villa. We went with this company called Rustico Cooking. Now there's some place that we had been before. The instructors we had been with, Carl and happens to be Dino. They're a couple. They took us over there. They're originally from that area, and they showed us the way that they eat in Tuscany. What's really great about it is they eat good. Pasta, gnocchi, all these different types of foods that you would guess would be in an Italian plate is what we had. Our first day started out with pizza in a wood brick oven that has been there forever. And we had some barbecue. We made some nice roasted vegetables inside that oven. Man, if you have not been to Tuscany, or better yet, if you have, but you've been there just to drive around and get to walk up the hills and all these different little small communities, I suggest you take a trip with Rustico. Let me tell you, we had so much fun. We ate so much food, and she literally scheduled this thing out from start to finish. When we got there, everything was set. We had booze coming out of every place, a lot of wine. I never drank so much wine, and I belong to 4 wine clubs. We had a lot of fun. There was a pool. My wife was in the pool. That was all I needed to make sure that she was happy, and we ate like kings. I tell you, if you're missing something in your life, like a trip to Tuscany, check out this Rustico company. I tell you, they're great.
Oh, we got water there. Oh, yeah.
All right, so we're here. It is Tuscany. Tuscany! We are here to enjoy ourselves. Better not walk too much far back or I'm gonna be in the water. Whoa. Let me show you where we're at. All right, I need to know the secret of making pizza. What is the one thing that you should give me? Pizza secret.
Secret. Don't worry, I showed everything for my friends.
Okay.
Friends.
Thin crust pizza. Secret of life is enjoy good food.
Very
Let's
good, very
start with
good,
that.
very good. Say hello, everybody.
Say yes to pizza.
Yes.
Anchovies, yes. That's all.
Anchovies
So
and
you like the
rucola.
anchovies? You say yes.
Rucola and tomato without mozzarella.
Without the mozzarella, you want to do lettuce instead of cheese.
Look at that. Look.
Whoa, 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 look at that. That is nice. That is really nice.
Olio, Giulio.
Little bit of olive oil there. Look at that. Get it on there.
Yeah, everything.
Yes.
Everything.
Up next course. See you later.
Change structure because inside enter the air. The air makes the difference from one ice or ice cream or gelato. Fra un blocco di ghiaccio e il gelato.
So otherwise you have a block of ice without the air.
If you take a juice,
Me make fire, make flame.
They are just wow.
And when you were saying that when they first arrived, they're marked, you see? Yeah.
ma arriviamo dove c'è un lago,
Certo. This must be the week that, you know, everything is where it came from.
strain that
Co-op
too?
store.
I did.
Amazing.
Not strain it, just
This does not work. Okay. Think you got them? Okay. All the shells will go here to make our life easier.
Mark, you got some pictures? Didn't have you. Got your camera?
Just try not to have any eggshells in the dough.
Yeah, that's helpful.
Yeah. Crack it right on the table, and then like real hard. Yeah. So much. You get in there.
Yeah, actually in Italy, that's a very good comment. In French, the egg yolk is called jaune d'œuf, which means yellow of egg. In Italy, it's called rosso d'uovo, which means red of egg.
In America, it's called sunny side up.
Watch me for 1 second, guys.